Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wildturmeric. We often spend so much time on morning skincare routines, but true radiance actually starts with a breakfast. Today, I am making my favorite skin glow smoothie recipe. This delicious drink is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a powerful beauty elixir designed to give you that glass skin look naturally. To make this smoothie, first we need to make fresh almond milk. I have already soaked 6 to 7 almonds in water overnight. Now peel the skin of the almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects the skin cells from UV damage and keeps the skin hydrated and supple from the inside out. Grind the peeled almonds with a cup of water and strain to get fresh creamy almond milk. Now take a dragon fruit, peel the skin, and cut the flesh into cubes. Dragon fruit is packed with vitamin C, which is the most critical nutrient for collagen synthesis. Collagen is what keeps the skin firm, plump, and youthful. I have used dragon fruit here, but you can substitute it with any fruit of your choice. Grind the dragon fruit in a mortar and pestle. Add the almond milk. Now add the final ingredient that makes this breakfast smoothie extra special, antioxidant-rich Gulkand. This makes for a perfect light breakfast that keeps you full and energized. I recommend drinking this 3 to 4 times a week. You can swap the dragon fruit with other fruits of your choice. With regular use, you'll notice your skin taking on a healthy natural glow.